So when you open it, just like the Jordans, you got the pieces, the layers of paper. Ooh! Oh! Hey, what up, money baggers? Welcome to another unboxing, another sneaker unboxing. Today we got the Nike Air Vapormax. I got them from these guys over at Nike itself and other stores like Finish Line and whatever ran out of my size or this specific size. So I just had to keep digging a little bit more for these. I got a new knife right here. Look at this. They're taped kind of ghetto though, I'll give you that. So the Vapormax are the shoes that Nike calls the future of the Air Max, or the new generation Air Max. Oh, alright, for sure. So there's the Nike box. Let me see what's in here. But there you go, now you can see the details. The multicolor reflective Nike logo on top. I like this, I like that a lot. Nothing on this side. Then the Vapormax, same, like right there, reflective multicolor stuff, little rainbow there, and then you got the size and stuff. What size are these? I thought I ordered the 11s, but I guess not. I guess I got the 10.5s. So when you open it, just like the Jordans, you got the pieces, the layers of paper. Ooh! Oh my dude! They didn't look like that in the pictures, G. Okay. Okay, damn. Okay, these are actually clean. Look at that. Look at the, oh my god. Let's put this first one to the side. Let's go ahead and grab the other one. And then the packaging isn't as special as the Jordan, so let's just go ahead and close this box, put it right here. Bring the main guys. In the pictures, they look clean, but in person, and I hope the DSLR makes some justice, because these are so nice. The combination of the dark gray right here, so there's like a lighter gray, and then there's like this white, light gray. It's just crazy. And then you got the Nike Vapormax over here. The laces, I like the laces. I mean, they're just shoelaces, but they're lit. Then inside of the shoe, you know, you got the Vapormax and the little Nike logo. Oh my god, bro. They feel so light too. That's the thing. When I see the new Vapormax bubble at the bottom, because they all got like this specific Vapormax. Let's get these out of the way. When they got this, all the Vapormax now got this kind of pattern at the bottom. I see it, and I don't know. I look at it, it's like kind of thick. It's kind of like and I don't know. It makes them look heavy, but once you have them, they're light. They're really, really light. And then the Flyknit finish as well is so freaking clean. The red Nike logo right there, Nike swoosh gang. Something that I didn't notice on the pictures, or at least I didn't notice at all, they got like this all like transparent finish on this part of the bubble, but then here has like a rubber kind of divided finish, little squares. I don't know if it makes a difference on the grip. Same as well as here too. Over here in these top ends, they have the little rubber ending. I'm not sure what Nike was planning on doing with that, but I like it. I like that thing. And then I just noticed something too. There's this little hidden Nike logo over here, kind of like the Gatorade. I don't think you guys can tell in this shot. Okay, there you go. You can barely see it right there. Nike logo hiding right here within the bubble, within the sole. But yeah, I might try to resell these. I might keep them too. I don't know. Because these are so nice. The only thing is, ever since I got hurt, I got a knee injury back in 2014, and ever since I haven't been able to wear Air Max because the bubble kind of hurts my foot when I step. So yeah. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's unboxing. Here's the Air Max. Let me put one to the side like this. Let me get the laces out the way. Again, they're really light. They feel really light on your hands holding them. I don't doubt that they feel light on your feet. I haven't checked it, but if you guys want to go check the Hibbett Sports, if they still got them, I'm going to have the link in the description for these. So you guys can go ahead and check that out. But in the meantime, that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked it. And if you did, don't forget to leave a like button. Also, go ahead and subscribe. To keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. So thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you in the next one. Peps Money Bags.